Hey YouTube, it's Kate from Rushfaster. Today I'm here to show you 4 epic toiletry bags from some amazing brands, and these are especially great if you pack a fair amount of toiletries. Here at Rushfaster we do guides and walkthroughs, bringing you better gear and better ways to carry. Be sure to hit like, subscribe, bell and sign up to our newsletter so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest carry gear. So in front of me here, I've got what I would say are 4 of the best toiletry bags on the market. They are 100% investment pieces, but they are totally worth it and you will use them for years to come. Let's start off with the smallest one here, which is the Aer Dopp Kit 2. So the Aer Dopp Kit 2, similar to the rest of Aer's packing range, is made from 1680D Cordura nylon with some regular YKK zippers. Just note these are not AquaGuard zippers. So when you open up this main compartment here, we've got some nice organization, some elastic loops, and then we've got some mesh pockets on the side here, and these really work for a range of different things. I traveled with this one specifically in Thailand for 3.5 weeks and it was the perfect size. I will note I was staying in hotels, so I did not need to hang my toiletry bag up anywhere, and because this does not have a specific hanging feature, this was perfect for that kind of trip. The second compartment wraps all the way around and opens out flat like this. Please excuse the stains on mine. Like I said, I traveled with it to Thailand and I put my makeup in it, and if you know, you know. So first up we've got this mesh pocket on the side, which was great for little small flatter items like certain makeup products, Q-tips, etc. And then on this side, I actually personally used it for my makeup brushes. I believe it is partially designed for a toothbrush to be held in there, but to me it was perfect for holding makeup brushes. And the last pocket is this one over here, which does have an AquaGuard lay flat zip, and it is a just nice little small pocket. I believe this is intended for a razor, but as a female I take a very small razor that does not need this big of a space, so I just use this for smaller items like nail clippers, as well as some little perfumes, just in case they broke in my bag. So overall, this is a great starter toiletry kit, especially for someone that doesn't take too much but does need that extra organization and a bit of room to take their stuff. So this top kit comes in 23 by 13 by 10 centimeters and is 2.6 liters in volume. Next up we have the Bellroy Toiletry Kit Plus. As you can see, the sleek and stunning design aligns with the style of Bellroy's product. This one has a little bit more of a simple design in terms of opening. We just have one big compartment, but it does have some great organizational features inside. So on this side we've got a little toothbrush compartment that is magnetized, which is really nice to keep your toothbrush away from your other things, or you can put your razor in there. Then we've got a nice little zippered compartment here as well with that lovely Bellroy mesh that's just so lightweight and stretchy. Then we've got a larger rectangle pocket and a couple of smaller slip pockets, which would be great for really little things like concealer, etc. Then we've got kind of like a compartment here, which is great to store kind of tubs or larger items, maybe your foundation, maybe your moisturizer, all of those good things, and then a couple of other mesh pockets on the back for some added organization. So this is kind of like a everything in one, close it up, go go go. Doesn't have any external access. Bellroy does have a smaller version of this as well, with just a few more minimal design features. This toiletry kit is 25 by 13 by 10 centimeters, and it doesn't have a literage on the specs on the website, but I would say it's around a similar size to the Aer toiletry kit. Next up we have the coveted Peak Design wash pouch. Now this is in one of their updated colors called Sage, and I honestly love this color over the classic grey. There's nothing wrong with the classic grey, but a little bit of color while still being muted is always nice. Now this is probably going to be the ultimate toiletry kit for anyone who is traveling long term. Wait till you see, this is like a Mary Poppins bag of toiletry kits. So the main compartment opens up like that, and as you can see there is a ton of room in there. Now we've got some organizational features like these pockets. I will say that the mesh on these is kind of like nylon-y, so they don't have a lot of stretch. These ones have some elastic gusseting on this side, but these ones do not, so just take that in mind. I've got the toothbrush compartment in the middle in this toiletry bag, so it is nice to keep your toothbrush away from the other things. Then we've got a zippered compartment as well on this side with further pockets and organization inside there. So as you can see, this one has a reasonably large capacity with some amazing organization. Now I will say the only thing is that it looks bigger than it is. So if you bulk it out while it is open, it can be a little hard to close once you're trying to zip it up. So just keep that in mind when you're stuffing your things inside. Now let's turn to the outside of this toiletry kit. We've got one pocket here, which is just a simple little shallow pocket. You kind of probably saw it on the inside, where you can store a few little items, again like some nail clippers, little perfumes, etc. Got a nice little handle on the top, which is great for just hauling it to and from the bathroom. Then this is one of the best features in my opinion, is this little hook. It just slots away super easily, and it means you can hang up your toiletry bag. It means you can hang up your toiletry bag open like so, and everything is just right there and easy for you to see and reach, and it's just not a hassle. Now this is made from 100% recycled weatherproof 200D nylon shell and a super durable number 8 ultra zip, which is also water sealed. This toiletry kit comes in at 26 by 15 by 11 centimeters and is 2.5 liters in size. Now that doesn't seem exactly right, because this Aer Dopp Kit is supposed to be 2.6 liters and this is supposed to be 2.5, but clearly you can see the Peak design is larger. So take with that what you will. Alright, the last toiletry bag that I have to show you is the Gravel Explorer Plus. Now I feel like this is going to appeal to a lot of people, but it has a very unique organization system, so let's dive in. So first off, we've got two compartments. So let's dive into the main compartment, which has a dual zipper here, and it zips all the way around like so, and it opens like this. Now I actually have this one packed out because of its unique organization. I kind of wanted to show you what you can and can't fit in here. This Mitchum deodorant fits exactly in this little pocket here, almost as if it was made for it. Then in this little pocket I've got some bobby pins and a gua sha. This one I actually haven't filled out fully, but I do have a nail buffing block in there. Then this is kind of what I called my shower block. So we've got a couple of Lush tins which I keep my shampoo and conditioner in, and a little mini travel razor there as well. And then I do believe this is the toothbrush compartment, where I have a Littli toothbrush. It does say it can fit a larger toothbrush in there, but I haven't tested it out personally. As you can see, the toothbrush compartment has a different material than all the other compartments. I want to say silicone-like fabric. So the reason it opens this way is because on the back we've got this little loop here, and it hooks into this G hook, and that is how you hang the toiletry bag up. So as you can imagine, you hang that on the hook and it hangs lengthways like so. Next, I wanted to jump into this other compartment, which is what I find quite interesting about this bag. In here, this is the liquids security pouch. So when you're going through security, the idea is that you just take it out of that compartment and put it in the tray. You know how it goes. And then you can also hang it with this loop here in the bathroom or in the shower when you're showering. You can fit more than this depending on how big this is packed out. The last pocket that we have here is on the back, and at first I thought this was quite strange. It is a fleece lined pocket, and I was like, what on earth are you going to be storing that's fleece lined in this pocket? But nowadays I know a lot of us take our phones to the bathroom, so this little fleece lined pocket here is perfect to pop your phone in. So this toiletry kit comes in at 3 liters. It is 10 by 7 by 3 inches, and it is definitely a very specific type of organization, but I think it will appeal to a lot of people just because there's a lot of different fun compartments to play with. Now there are 2 other products that I wanted to share with you today, and they are also some toiletry essentials that I would definitely recommend if you're going on any type of trip really. So first off, we've got the Littli toothbrushes. These are some sonic toothbrushes that are travel friendly. They have a larger size on there as well, but this is the L1 toothbrush, and this is it in black and this is it in white. And it is just a pretty simple sonic toothbrush, but it is perfect to take when you're traveling, as it's got that hygienic seal guard as well. It's also great for travel because it does charge via USB-C, so that means it is much easier to find a place to charge it rather than those bulkier, very specific type of like Oral-B chargers that you get with larger electric toothbrushes. It is a 1.5 hour quick charge, and the battery lasts for 30 days as well, so you might not even have to bring the charger if you're going for less than that time. And the last product I wanted to show you today is from Ethique. It is one of my favorite brands. They make solid skincare, hair care and body care bars, including shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, laundry, all sorts of things. So this is their adventurer bundle, and it has one tip to toe solid shampoo and shaving bar and one flash solid laundry bar and stain remover. So if you've got anyone in your life that is going on a trip soon, or it's their birthday and they love traveling, this could be the perfect gift. And it has some lovely scents. All their scents are very natural. They also have unscented products, so if you're super sensitive to scents, they have the product for you. As well, they also have lots of different skincare and hair care for all different skin and hair types. So if you're going on a long-term trip, this might be the perfect thing as well. You will probably end up doing your laundry at a laundromat or getting the accommodation that you're staying in to do it, but you might accidentally get an extra intense stain and you might want to pre-scrub it with this laundry bar. And of course, Ethique is all sustainable, vegan and cruelty free. Their packaging is compostable. They do not use plastic in their actual packaging. I can't speak for if you order online and you know it comes in a larger plastic bag. They are a B Corp, and these also genuinely just last longer. Like their shampoo bars last up to 3 months and their conditioner bars last up to 6 months, and I would definitely vouch for that. I've used them for up to 5 years now. So as always, everything that I've mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below, and if you purchase using one of those links, it goes a long way to supporting everything that we do here at Rushfaster, so we can get better gear in the hands of more people around the world. I'll be sure to link any other review videos about any of these products down below as well, and make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell and sign up to the newsletter so we can keep bringing you better gear just like this. For now, I'm Kate from Rushfaster, and this has been the best travel toiletry kits and accessories.